let me go with the problem number 26, right? The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Right. So if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, then the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. So let us go with this. Let the numerator, right? Let the numerator be x. So the denominator will become what? X plus 8. Right. The rational number now is the rational number. Right. The rational number is equal to x by x plus 8. Correct. Now, according to the given condition, if the numerator is increased by 17, that is x is increased by 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1, that is x plus 8 minus 1, the rational number, then number obtained is 3 by 2. Just simplify it. Right. Now this will become what? X plus 17 by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Now cross multiply it. This will become 2x plus 34 is equal to 3x plus 21. Correct? So 3 sevens are 21. Now transfer this side, that is 3x minus 2x is equal to 34 minus 21. Now x is equal to what? 34 minus 21. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. X is equal to 13. So the number is what? The rational number is this, right? X is equal to, we got done. So that is 13 by x plus 8. X is 13 plus 8, which is going to be 13 by 21. This is the answer. Right, you can cross check by using this. Now if you add 17 to this and if you subtract with 1, it is 40. So you are going to get the same answer. Yeah, this you are going to get this. Denominator, that is 13 plus 17. 13 plus 17, 17 plus that 3. This is going to be 20 plus 10, 30. 13 minus 8 is 21, minus 1 become 20. That is 30 by 20 is nothing but 3 by 2, right? This is the answer.